Record.
And you're letting the public in?
Yep.
Okay. My name is David Davison, and I am the town of Needham's Assistant Town Manager, Director of Finance. I am also the town's Chief Procurement Officer. In order to comply with the goals of social distancing and Governor Baker's executive order that there be no gatherings of 10 or more persons, town offices are closed to the public. Today is the first day that the town of Needham has conducted virtual bid openings. For the record, the declared state of emergency related to COVID-19 does not suspend, waive, or alter the public procurement statutes, including the Uniform Procurement Act, Chapter 30B, Design, Chapter 7, Public Building Construction, Chapter 149, and Public Works Construction, Chapter 30. However, the governor's executive order concerning the open meeting law, in-person bid or proposal openings are not required at the present time. This is a public bid opening at which employees of the town, bidders, and the general public are welcome to witness via Zoom. This Zoom session is being recorded and will be posted to the web later today. I will open the bids in alphabetical order. I will read the name and address of the bidder. I will state whether the bidder has provided the required information and read out loud the bid details. This information is being entered on a bid tally sheet by Cecilia Semchek, who is also the host, and the tally will be available from the town's website within a day. After I read out all the bids received, I will indicate the name of the apparent winner, the apparent winning bid, which is subject to confirmation that the bidder is indeed responsive and responsible. We will then accept technical questions. I should add, with the stormy weather, if there's a power interruption or other technical difficulties, we will send an email out to the same group notifying them when we will resume the bid opening. I will read out the name of employees who are assisting with this process, and when I call out the name, please confirm that you are in attendance and you can hear me. Cecilia Semchek.
I can hear you.
Cecilia is the only employee that is assisting with this opening. And with that, the first bid for the Needham High School automatic transfer switch replacement is from Brothers Electrical Corporation, 18 Graft Road, Unit 31, Newburyport, Mass. 01950. I will now open the bid. The bidder has submitted the bidder information response. The bidder has submitted the authentication form. The bidder has submitted compliance for public construction of more than $10,000. The bidder has provided professional references. The bidder has submitted a certificate of authority. The bidder has submitted a 5% bid bond. The bidder has also submitted a certificate of contractor eligibility. And the information from the Division of Capital Asset Management. The bidder has acknowledged addendums 1 through 4. Cecilia, ready for the bid?
Yes, I am.
Okay, for the Needham High School automatic transfer switch replacement, bid item A, cost of the project is outlined in part 2, scope of work. The amount is $41,700 even. On item B, add alternate 1, $3,600 even. C, the warranty on the labor, the bidder is providing 12 months. D, warranty on the materials, the bidder is providing 12 months or per the manufacturer, whichever is greater. And E, prompt payment discount, the bidder is not offering a prompt payment discount. The next bid is from Daigle Electrical Construction Corporation, 68 Industrial Way, Wilmington, Massachusetts, 01887. I will now open the bid. Okay, the bidder has Daigle Electrical Construction Corporation. The bidder has submitted the bidder information response, the authentication form, certificate of good faith, certificate of compliance with mass tax laws, certificate of compliance for public construction of more than $10,000. Bidder has submitted certificate of authority. The bidder has submitted professional references. The bidder has submitted a bid bond of 5%. The bidder has submitted a certificate of contractor eligibility. Bidder has supplied other materials as well as documentation from Operational Services Division. And the bidder has submitted the information from the Division of Capital Asset Management. The bidder has acknowledged addendums 1 through 4. Are you ready, Cecilia?
Yes, I am.
Okay, this is the bid from Daigle Electrical Construction Corporation. Bid item A, cost of project is outlined in part 2, scope of work. Bid is $38,883. Bid item B, add alternate 1, $11,111 even. Bid item C, warranty on labor, 12 months. Bid item D, warranty on materials, 12 months. Bid item E, prompt payment discount. The bidder is offering a 1% discount if paid within 10 days. And that is it on that bid. The third bid is from Hub Electrical Inc., 10 Draper Street, Unit 19, Woburn, Massachusetts, 01801. I will now open the bid. Okay, the bidder has submitted the bidder information response form. The bidder has submitted the authentication form. The bidder has submitted the certificate of good faith. The bidder has submitted the compliance with Massachusetts tax laws. The bidder has submitted the certificate of compliance for public construction of more than $10,000. The bidder has submitted professional references. The bidder has submitted certificate of authority. The bidder has submitted a bid bond in the amount of 5%. The bidder has acknowledged addendums 1 through 4. Cecilia, you ready for the bid results?
Yes, I am.
Okay, this is Hub Electrical Incorporated. The Needham High School automatic transfer switch replacement. Item A, the cost of the project is outlined in Part 2, scope of work. The bid is $40,800, 40800. The bid item B, add alternate 1. The bid is $45,800. Bid item C, warranty on labor, 12 months. Bid item D, warranty on materials, 12 months. Bid item E, prompt payment discount. The bidder is not offering a discount. That is all on this bid. Okay, the final bid of the 4 bids received is Vintage Properties Incorporated, 148 Country Drive, Weston, Massachusetts, 02493. I will now open the bid. The bidder, Vintage Properties, Inc., has submitted the bidder information response form. The bidder has submitted the authentication form. The bidder has submitted the certificate of good faith. The bidder has submitted the certificate of compliance with Massachusetts tax laws. The bidder has submitted the certificate of compliance for public construction more than $10,000. The bidder has submitted professional references. The bidder has submitted a certificate of authority. The bidder has submitted a 5% bid bond. The bidder has acknowledged all 4 addendum, 1 through 4. So you ready for the bid?
Yes, I am.
The bid is from Vintage Properties Incorporated. Needham High School automatic transfer switch replacement. Item A, cost of the project is outlined in Part 2, scope of work. Bid price, $48,660. Bid item B, add alternate 1, $4,620. Bid item C, warranty on labor, 1 year or 12 months. Bid item D, warranty on materials, 1 year or 12 months. Bid item E, prompt payment discount. Bidder is not offering a prompt payment discount. So we have the 4 bids. Apparent low bidder without alt 1 is the second bidder, which is Bagel Electrical Construction Corporation at $38,883. Are there any questions?
I don't see any.
Okay. With that, the apparent low bidder without alternative 1, bid alternative 1, so we're awarding the base contract, is $38,883, subject to final confirmation of the bid. Thank you.